So welcome friends, welcome to Parasite SEO course. You can see my stats on medium.com. This is a website where you can publish your own stories without having your own website, and you can get ranked on Google for particular keywords. So in this video I'm going to share you exact strategy by using which I have got around, let me show you my March statistics, 8.3k views and 2.3k reads, all these from Google search. Okay, so this video is all about ranking on Google using any site like medium.com and quora.com. Even I've already uh, published a video about Parasite SEO using quora.com. So let's get into the video. So first of all, we need keywords to get ranked on Google. So for that I'll be using semrush.com. I'll leave the link of Semrush in description of this video, so grab that link and create free account right here and get 7 days free trial to get the all work done for you. So let me show you the exact strategy to get ranked on Google. So first of all, before doing keyword research for Parasite SEO, you have to create your Medium account for a particular niche. For example, if you are good in softwares, even in VPNs, let's talk about VPNs, then you have to create and optimize your account against that. For example, I am going to use my uh, medium.com account for ranking keywords related to web hostings, so I have to optimize my whole account according to that. So after optimizing your account, for example, I have optimized my account for a particular keyword to promote. For example, I want to get ranked on Google and to promote physical products, so I want to promote physical products like I will go to Amazon and doorbells. For example, I want to target doorbells. I want to write content about doorbells. So I will type my seed keyword here. So before keyword research, you have to optimize your medium profile according to that niche or topic. So after enter your seed keyword right here and just type a search button. Get the link of SEMrush from description of this video because this is so valuable tool which will help you find best keywords possible to get ranked on Google. So if you want to start your own blog and redirect traffic from these Parasite SEO sites to your main site, then I will leave the link of some best web hostings down description, so please check out those as well. So you can see this is doorbell, and the doorbell has 3.2 million search volume with its all keyword variations. So we need to optimize and find some low-hanging fruits from all these 3.2 million. So just type it with all 158k keywords, and from these 158k keywords you will find out some low-hanging fruits, and by dropping down keyword difficulty to certain level and by applying some filters right from here. Okay, so you can see all these filters are available. For example, volume, keyword, intent, CPC, include, keywords, exclude. So initially we don't need all these keywords. After getting some tractions, we will use I'll from all these we have to just work with keyword difficulty and just drop this keyword difficulty down to 20. Medium.com has over 90 domain authority on Google, so we can easily rank even 0 to 30, the range of 0 to 30 keywords in Google. You can see 0 to, if I drop this to 0 to 20, you can see 1,07,000 search volume and average KD is 14. It means we can easily rank for all these keywords. So from these keywords you can see this keyword has just 29 results in search engine. It means if I write content around this, I can easily rank within just 2 days or even within a week. I can easily rank on first page of Google for this particular keyword. Looney Tunes door GIF and doorbell kit is another cool. Then cat doorbell, feed doorbell, all these are cool and easy to rank keywords. You can target all these keywords. So even if you are absolute beginner and you haven't published any content on Parasite SEO sites, so I will show you another filter. Just type this advanced filters and results in SERP. SERP means search engine result pages should not exceed 100. Okay, just type 100. So now we will find easiest keywords possible. Even I guaranteed you, if you target these keywords, you can easily rank on Google within a 1 day for unlimited free fresh new account. Okay, so you can see all these keywords which will be appeared here will have less than 100 results in search engine. It means less than 100 people have already talked about. For example, you can see Hampton Bay wireless doorbell, only 45 results in search engine. Doorbell height, for example, write about what the best doorbell height, different doorbell heights, compare different doorbell heights, and these are zero search results appeared on Google for this particular keyword. And you can see doorbell high vision and red lights on ring doorbell. For example, top 5 red lights on ring can be used on ring doorbell with same intent, and you are good to go to get some affiliate earnings from Google. So doorbell clip art, doorbell red lights, top 5 doorbell red lights for your house, all these keywords. Sport doorbells, though, if you are starting, if you want to start a blog, affiliate blog, I would suggest you to go with doorbell. This is one of the best niches I have ever seen with untapped niches. This is very untapped niche because all these keywords are very long hanging fruits. For example, from these 32 thousand search volume, if you get, for example, if you register a new domain today and then after 30 days you can easily rank for thousand keywords in just 1 month, because no one is targeting all these keywords. No one, literally no one is targeting these keywords. So I suggest you to start our blog today by checking the best web hosting in the description of this video. So after finding out all these keywords, just export the list and then start writing content. For example, I will type it write content here. You can see write, then ask ChatGPT to create appropriate and click worthy title for you, and then start your content right here and publish it. So for Parasite SEO, I recommend you to publish at least 2 to 3 articles. Even if you don't want to write article by yourself, just get the article from AI tools, generative AI tools like Surfer SEO or even ChatGPT free version, and then optimize it by yourself to match the intent and to make it humanized, and then publish it right here and include affiliate links within your content. Okay, so using this method you can easily earn some commission by Parasite SEO. So this is all about Parasite SEO using medium.com. So I hope you have learned this methods to earn from Parasite SEO from Medium. So hope for the best, and if you want to earn through affiliate marketing using Pinterest, please check out the description of this video.